Hi, do you know that simple things seems unimportant until they are needed? Then they are important. Then we're looking at addition of parallel vector. Now, when you have a vector A, and this vector is having 3 and then 5 to the east, and then you have vector B, which is having 3 and then 4 to the east. Now, you are asked to add this vector. Whenever a vector is traveling in the same direction, you use simple arithmetic operation, the plus. Whenever a vector is traveling opposite direction, you use the subtraction. Now, over here, the vector is moving to the east. Vector A to the east, vector B to the east. And the magnitude of this vector, or the result of this vector, is vector A plus vector B. And that is going to give me 3 plus 3, that is 6. And then 5 plus 4, that is 9. And this is all to the east. What if the vector A is traveling to the east and the vector B is traveling to the west? So let's change this. Let's change this now. Okay, now we have this traveling to the east and then the other guy traveling to the west. Now the answer is, this guy is going to the east, the other guy is going to the west. So what I'm going to do is to subtract them because they are moving in opposite direction. So what we're having is resultant vector is equals to the vector A minus that of vector B. Okay, this guy is traveling to the west. Now, having said that, 3 minus 3, that's going to give me 0. And then 5 minus 4, that is going to give me 5 minus 4 is 1. Okay, now, if you have done that, what you're going to be having is 1, 0, 1, which means it is 0, 1 to the east. Why do I say to the east? Because of the positive sign that is there. Let's say we have a vector, like a vector of 50 Newton to the east, 50 Newton towards east, and then another vector, 100 Newton towards east. Now, the resultant vector here is simply the A plus B, vector A plus vector B. Now, that is 50 plus 100, that is 150 Newton towards east. Now, let's say that the vector is traveling, A is traveling to, let's say we have another vector A, and is traveling to the east. Vector A, let's say 200 Newton towards east. And then we have vector B. Vector B is 300 Newton towards, 300 Newton towards the west. All right, now this is traveling 200 Newton, this is traveling 300 Newton. Now the resultant vector is equals to 200 minus 300.